Thanks for joining me. This lab session is entitled JMeter Setup. This demo session will include the following activities if Java is not installed: downloading, installing, check for updates, verify components, and verify properties are configured. The first component download you should check for is Java. Go to your command prompt and type in Java-version. The runtime version will display. Now for Mac users, do the following. Click on the Apple logo in the top left of your menu bar. Scroll down and click on System Preferences. Click on the Java icon. Look for System Preferences. You should see on the About button that will show you the version. If you do not see a Java icon, it is not installed on your machine. Use a search engine to locate the Java download. Now for Windows, you may not be on the latest version. If you want to install the latest version, do the following. Go to the Windows 10 control panel via the taskbar search box and type Control Panel and select Java. The following window will display. And of course, if you don't see Java, you don't have Java installed on the Windows platform. Click the Update tab and Update Now button to update your Java version to the latest. If you have never installed Java, go to this URL. Select Download option and install according to instructions. It is a good idea, but not required, to go to the taskbar search box again and type in environment. Select the environment variables open and then select the environment variables button. Scroll down to the system variables list to locate Java_home. It should point to the Java bin directory path like the example shown here. Use the new button to add an entry for Java. A very simple way to find out the status of Java on your Windows machine is to go to the taskbar and select the search option and type in Java. There you can simply find the Java control panel and find out a couple of items, such as, is it set to check for updates automatically? Meaning periodically there may be some updates coming from Java and it will send you a notification on that. Otherwise, you can go ahead and update now by clicking this button you see here, and it will update to the latest version of Java. So that is a simple way to handle the Java issue on your machine. That is, if it's already defined. If it was not, you would not see this panel, and of course, you would need to go to the browser and download the Java option. If you discover that you don't have Java installed on your machine, on your Windows machine, or on your Mac machine, then you should go to your browser and type in latest Java version. And that should take you to a location, java.com especially, that would allow you to download the Java operation system. So here you will also find that it tells you the recommended version is 8 or 1.8 with an update of 271. My update is 241. So if for any reason you have none or yours is older than this, then you may want to update to the latest version. Otherwise, if you have 241 like I have, that's sufficient. So it shows you also the release date was October 20th, 2020. So that's a fairly recent version when I actually recorded this session. So if 271 is what it's showing, or something later than that, older, larger number than that, then go ahead and go to this site and download it from here and install according to the instructions. You will see the instructions are listed here. You will see also the Windows versions, and you will see the Mac version, as well Linux version and Solaris. So this is the site to go to for Java download and install. My time has ended for this session. I thank you for yours. Join me in the next video.